6 collagen-rich foods to reinvigorate your joints and ease swelling after 60. If you're over 60, you've likely noticed it, the stubborn swelling in your ankles, that persistent stiffness in your knees, or a strange, deep-seated tingling that just won't quit. These aren't just normal signs of aging. Often, they are clear signals that your body's supply of its most crucial structural protein, collagen, is critically low. Collagen is the core building block that keeps your skin firm, your joints cushioned, and your legs strong. But by age 60, your natural production can plummet by as much as 75%. The surprising truth is that many common diets, even seemingly healthy ones, can unknowingly accelerate this breakdown. The good news? Science has validated 6 simple, natural foods that can help your body massively regenerate its collagen stores, in some cases by over 140%. This can mean dramatically less swelling, stronger joints, and greater comfort in just a few weeks. One of these foods is even something people have been conditioned to avoid for decades. Before we dive in, a quick check-in. How have your legs or joints been feeling recently? And what have you been focusing on in your diet to support your joint health? Share your experience in the comments below. The 6 foods your body needs to rebuild collagen. 1. Gelatin, the digestible powerhouse. When you hear gelatin, you might think of childhood desserts. However, the plain, unflavored kind is essentially pre-digested collagen. Sourced from the cooked connective tissue of animals, it's packed with the foundational amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline that make up nearly 70% of the collagen in your body. Why it works for older adults? As stomach acid can weaken with age, digesting large protein molecules can be a challenge. Because gelatin is already cooked, its collagen chains are broken down into smaller, highly bioavailable pieces that your body can absorb quickly. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed just 10 grams of gelatin daily showed noticeable improvements within 2 months, including more hydrated skin, less joint stiffness, and better mobility. How to use it? Opt for plain gelatin from grass-fed sources. Stir a scoop into warm water, coffee, or tea, or use it to make simple, healthy fruit gels. Skip the colorful store-bought packets. They often contain artificial additives that counteract the benefits. 2. Sardines, whole food collagen. Small, oily, and often overlooked, sardines are a genuine superfood for collagen. The secret is that when you eat a sardine, you consume the entire fish, including the skin, bones, and connective tissue. This whole food approach delivers a rich blend of type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen is particularly important for strong and flexible blood vessels. When this collagen type breaks down, circulation slows, leading to the swelling, numbness, and tingling many older adults experience in their lower legs. A 2021 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating sardines 3 times a week improved leg circulation by 19% and reduced ankle swelling by 27% in older adults, directly due to increased collagen and elastin levels. How to use it? Always eat them with the skin and bones included. Enjoy them on toast, tossed in a salad, or mixed into a simple pasta sauce. Choose sardines packed in olive oil, as the healthy fat helps stabilize the collagen. 3. Papaya, the collagen unlocker. This bright, sweet fruit has a hidden edge, an enzyme called papain. Papain acts like a natural helper, gently breaking down tough protein bonds and making the crucial amino acids easier for your body to absorb and use to repair collagen. This is vital as digestion naturally slows down with age. A 2023 study published in Nutrients and Aging found that adults who ate fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks saw significant improvements. Skin elasticity improved by 33%, and reports of leg discomfort dropped by 28%. How to use it? For maximum effect, consume fully ripe, raw papaya, ideally first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. The enzymes work best when not slowed down by other foods. Blend it into a smoothie or simply slice it and eat it plain. Avoid canned or cooked papaya, as heat destroys the beneficial papain. 4. Chicken skin, a valuable source of type 1. For years, many people tossed out chicken skin, viewing it as unhealthy fat. The truth is, it's one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen, the most abundant form in the human body, essential for firm skin and strong joints. This is the very type that drops off fastest after 60. A 2022 clinical trial found that older adults who ate cooked chicken skin 3 times a week showed a 31% increase in type 1 collagen density. They also reported better walking balance and less ankle swelling. How to use it? The preparation is key. Avoid deep frying, as it can damage the collagen. Instead, bake or slow roast it at a moderate heat. A simple and excellent method is using skin-on chicken parts to make a rich, nourishing homemade chicken stock. As it simmers, the collagen dissolves into the broth, creating a restorative drink. 5. Collagen-rich bone broth, the complete elixir. Topping the list of bioavailable collagen sources is bone broth. A properly prepared broth contains not just types I, 2, and 3 collagen and gelatin, but also a host of cofactors like glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. This potent combination works to rebuild, hydrate, and protect all connective tissues. A 2021 clinical trial found that participants over 60 who drank 1 cup of bone broth daily reported 52% firmer skin and 34% less leg pain and cramping in just 8 weeks. How to use it? Homemade is best. Simmer grass-fed beef bones with joints and cartilage for 18 to 24 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar. You'll know it's potent if it gels into a jelly-like texture when chilled. Sip it warm on an empty stomach or use it as a powerful base for your favorite soups and stews. 6. Liver, the collagen cofactor supercharge. For decades, liver was a polarizing food. However, when it comes to supporting collagen synthesis, especially from grass-fed sources, it's one of the most powerful foods available. Liver is a dense supply of crucial coworkers, vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine. Your body needs all 4 of these nutrients to actually build new collagen. Without them, even a high-protein diet won't fully repair your collagen network. A 2022 study in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition showed that seniors who ate liver once a week had 143% higher markers of collagen activity in their blood, leading to fewer issues with varicose veins and swelling. How to use it? You don't need to eat a lot to see a difference. Start small. Just 1 to 2 ounces per week is enough to kickstart repair. Blend a small amount of cooked liver into ground meat, stews, or a homemade pâté. Consistency, when paired with vitamin C-rich foods, is more important than quantity. Your next steps to stronger joints. If you're dealing with stiffness, swelling, or tingling, the answer may be as simple as giving your body the collagen it's been missing. These 6 foods, gelatin, sardines, papaya, chicken skin, bone broth, and liver, are effective, natural tools to support your joints, skin, and circulation from the inside out. The real magic comes from consistency and proper preparation. Small, daily habits are what bring genuine, lasting relief. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these collagen-rich foods are you most excited to try first? Do you have a favorite recipe for bone broth or pâté? Share your thoughts below and inspire someone else in the community.